Welcome back to Ultimate Destination for everything two wheels. If you're passionate about motorcycles and love staying ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our detailed reviews, breakdowns, and sneak peeks into the world of motorcycles. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most awaited and accessible bikes of 2026, the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. Let's find out if this urban roadster still has the same punch it delivered when it first took the streets by storm, or if Royal Enfield has turned the game up to a whole new level. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 has always stood out with its retro-modern appeal, nimble handling, and attractive price point. It made a massive impact when it first entered the scene, especially among younger riders and urban commuters. With the 2026 iteration, Royal Enfield has made several upgrades, some subtle and some significant, to elevate the riding experience while staying true to the Hunter's original philosophy. Braking performance has been enhanced with a new dual-channel ABS calibration. The 300mm front disc and 270mm rear disc provide adequate stopping power, but now the bite is more progressive, giving the rider better control during hard braking. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or taking a weekend ride through twisty roads, the improved braking gives you greater confidence. On the technology front, the Hunter 350 doesn't go overboard, but it's smarter than ever before. The semi-digital instrument cluster is carried forward, but now with Bluetooth connectivity as standard across all variants. This allows for turn-by-turn navigation and call alerts, synced through Royal Enfield's Tripper app. The display is crisp, readable even under bright sunlight, and the layout remains clean and intuitive. The lighting system also sees an upgrade. While it retains a halogen headlamp for that classic feel, the taillight is now full LED, and the indicators are clearer and more robust. Royal Enfield has managed to strike a balance between nostalgia and functionality, catering to both old-school purists and modern riders. Ergonomically, the Hunter 350 remains one of the most comfortable and accessible motorcycles in the segment. The seat height is a manageable 800mm, making it approachable for shorter riders. The seat itself has been reworked with better cushioning and support, ideal for longer rides. The footpeg position is slightly rear set, which along with the upright handlebar, gives you a relaxed yet engaged posture, perfect for city cruising and occasional highway stints. In terms of dimensions, it's compact, agile, and lightweight. The 181 kilograms curb weight is manageable, especially for beginners or riders looking for an easygoing machine. The short wheelbase of 1,370mm contributes to its nimbleness, allowing you to cut through traffic effortlessly or take tight corners with confidence. Fuel economy is another strong point. The Hunter 350 delivers an average of 35 to 40 km/L in real-world conditions, depending on your riding style and traffic. With a 13-liter fuel tank, you can expect a decent range of over 400 kilometers, enough for your city commutes and short weekend getaways. Let's talk about customization, because that's one area where the Hunter shines. Royal Enfield continues to offer a wide range of factory accessories, from bar-end mirrors and sump guards to custom seats and windshields. Riders who love to personalize their machines will enjoy the variety available. Whether you want to add a bit of touring flair or just enhance the style, the options are extensive and seamlessly integrated. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Hunter 350 continues to be positioned competitively. While there's been a slight price bump due to the added tech and refinements, it's still one of the most affordable Royal Enfields you can buy. Depending on the variant and optional accessories, the price ranges from approximately 1.65 Indian rupees lakh to 1.85 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. For the performance, heritage, and build quality it offers, the Hunter 350 remains excellent value for money. So who is this motorcycle for? If you're a new rider looking for your first proper motorcycle, the Hunter 350 is a fantastic choice. It's approachable, stylish, and forgiving. If you're a daily commuter who wants a reliable and good-looking machine to zip around the city, it ticks all the boxes. And if you're a seasoned rider who wants a second bike that's light, nimble, and fun, look no further. What makes the 2026 model special is how well Royal Enfield has listened to its audience. They've retained what worked: classic styling, strong low-end torque, and practicality, while improving the ride quality, tech features, and finish. The changes may seem minor on paper, but together, they enhance the overall ownership experience significantly. One thing that deserves a mention is the community that surrounds Royal Enfield. From weekend group rides to custom bike shows, owning a Royal Enfield is often more than just a personal choice. It's a cultural one. The Hunter 350 taps into this culture while offering a more youthful and urban alternative to the traditional Bullet or Classic. Another factor to consider is the after-sales service and spare parts availability. Royal Enfield's network continues to grow, and service centers are easily accessible across both metro cities and smaller towns. This makes ownership hassle-free, which is especially important for those who are new to motorcycling. Of course, no bike is perfect. While the 2026 Hunter 350 does a lot right, there are still a few areas that could use improvement. Some riders might prefer a sixth gear for better highway cruising, and a fully LED headlamp would have been a welcome touch in this tech-forward era. Also, while the performance is perfectly suited for city rides and short tours, thrill seekers looking for high-speed adventures might find it a bit tame. But for its intended purpose, the Hunter nails it. In summary, the 2026 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 refines an already solid package. With its improved ride quality, better features, and urban versatility, it continues to be a strong contender in the entry-level modern classic segment. It's stylish, reliable, and fun to ride, everything a city bike should be. If you've been eyeing the Hunter 350 or waiting for an update before pulling the trigger, the 2026 version makes a compelling case. Whether you're weaving through city traffic, cruising along coastal roads, or simply enjoying the thump of a Royal Enfield engine on your daily route, this bike offers a satisfying and character-rich experience. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Royal Enfield Hunter 350. We hope this review helped you get a clearer picture of what the bike has to offer. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment below letting us know what you think of the new Hunter. Would you consider it for your next ride? Or are you waiting for something even bigger from Royal Enfield? Thanks for watching and being a part of our growing motorcycle community. Until next time, ride safe, stay curious, and keep exploring. This is your channel for everything on two wheels, signing off.